Hello guys, something a little bit different today. Going to have a look at Google Maps. I went out on a trip a couple of weeks ago to a new water, but before I went there I had a quick look on maps and I found it really interesting because I could see the amount of pegs or swims that were on the lake. I could see how big the lake was, so in this case it was around 3.5 acres. And I could also see the entrance, which is obviously beneficial. If you've never been there before, you can work out your directions and have a quick look at all that sort of malarkey. But you can also see where the parking was. So in this particular case, I could see where the parking was and how far away it was from certain swims. And to be honest, it was really, really handy. The particular swim where I ended up bivvying up was it was only 40 something meters from the car park, so that was definitely a bit of a bonus. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you maps just in case there's a lot of you out there that don't use it, because I think it can be really, really interesting and helpful. So let's flick over to the screen and have a look at it. Okay, so if you click on the top of the screen here, click onto maps and then enter the postcode of your destination or a street name, something local to the water, and then click enter. And this is the default map. It's actually called map, so you'll see that blue patch there of water, and then if you click on satellite you'll get this image. And then what you'll find is if you right click on the screen and go down to the bottom, you'll see a tool called measure. So if you left click on that, and then you'll find that you'll get these little nodes appear with every left click. So we'll start by clicking on the car park. So it's a right click, left click, and then left click, and you'll see these little nodes that I was on about. And you can simply just go around the water and that will tot up the measurement as you go along. So I'll start by going around the water, and I'll stop when I get to this peg right here. And what I'll do is I'll right click and I'll clear that measurement. And I'll do another one. So see, I do a measurement there to the reeds, or the lily pads rather. So you can see it's quite handy. And then I'll do another one to the island. So that's a far island. So you can see it's really handy. So this, look at that for a short chuck. So yeah, you can see it's a handy tool. But yeah, don't want it to come across as condescending, guys. I know quite a few of you will probably already be using this, but I thought I'd put it out there just for those of you that aren't using it. So I'll clear that. And yeah, that's about it really, guys. I thought I'd share that with you. So that's probably this video done. So thanks for watching and see you soon. Cheers.